Hi everyone and welcome back. So it's been just over 2 months since we had the Galaxy Watch 6, but leaks regarding upcoming Galaxy Watch 7 have already started to pop up. Before sharing more details, don't forget to check out this amazing watch face design from Dominus Matthias. It's a super premium design and limited coupons are available for it. Okay, first Samsung is planning to introduce a new display technology for upcoming Galaxy Watch 7. It is reported that Samsung is working on a micro LED display that will be super bright out in the daylight while consuming a lot less power than traditional OLED displays. This micro LED display technology is also being tested by Apple for future smartwatches. As this technology is still being tested, so we might see it on next Galaxy Watch in 2024. But one thing that is confirmed is the all-new Exynos processor that will be introduced with the Galaxy Watch 7. This is a 3nm processor and it will be called as Exynos W940. Due to the use of 3nm process, it will give some amazing performance with great battery life. Rest we will see similar health features like ECG and BP. The long rumored blood glucose monitoring feature is still not confirmed and we might see this technology on Galaxy Watch 8 in 2025. So this was some information regarding upcoming Galaxy Watch 7. Stay tuned for more updates and make sure you are subscribed. Now talking about the watch face design, this face on the Google Play Store is available for around $13. Don't worry, you can still get this face by entering into giveaway. For that, just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. The face has a ton of information in the background with lots of moving parts and machinery that's highlighted here. My step counter with distance, day and battery percentage is highlighted here. Further talking about customization, it offers the ability to change background color combination. So you can see that now colors are changing. And then we have few settings for background complications. Check out this amazing design, and that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.